Welcome to BITV Blue Island.
On behalf of everyone here at Oak Street Health, welcome. Thanks for coming today. I'm Jeff Price. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Oak Street Health. And it's really a pleasure to be able to host you here in our new location here in Blue Island. It's a brand new center. We're really proud of it, and it's a treat to get to host you. We've been really very just humbled and pleased with the response and support we've gotten from the Blue Island community thus far, and we really look forward to continuing to build relationships here. Before I get much farther, I do want to recognize some of the elected officials who have been able to join us today. We're very happy to have them. To my right, Mayor Domingo Vargas, Mayor of Blue Island. Tom Hawley, who's Alderman of Blue Island. Hi, Tom. Leticia Vera, Alderman. Candace Carr, Alderman of Blue Island. Hi, Candace. Janice Osterling. Jim Johansson. Did I say that right? All right. Jairo Frausto. Hi. Nancy Thompson. And then we have Cynthia Potts, who's a trustee of Calumet Park. Yeah. Dexter Johnson, who's an alderman. Hi, Dexter. Joseph Whittingham, who's an alderman of Harvey. Hi there. And then Chanel Kelly, who's the trustee. Hi, Chanel. So thank you everyone for your support. It does mean a lot to us, and we look forward to being here for a long time. This has been a really special year for us here at Oak Street Health. Our goal is to provide the highest quality primary care to older adults, and opening up this new center in Blue Island allows us to connect with even more folks on Medicare. As a society, we're suffering a shortage of primary care, especially for those on Medicare. Wait times are long, and too often we've seen that those who have care they really need aren't able to access it in a high quality and timely manner. Oak Street Health tackles these challenges head on. Our goal is to provide the best possible care for our patients. The key to our mission is to keep older adults healthy, at home, and thriving throughout their older adult years. We offer longer appointments. We offer ride service to and from appointments. We have an on-site dental clinic to make sure that all of our patients have access to the services they need. We are very proud of our success to date. We've reduced hospital readmissions by 1/3, and our patient satisfaction rate is 97%. We're very, very excited about joining the Blue Island community and providing care for older adults in this area. So with that being said, I do want to take a moment to just introduce some of our team members here in Blue Island. So Dr. Francina Peralta Machado. Karen Winek is our nurse here. Eliana Acosta, the medical assistant. Then is Rachel, is Rachel here? No, Rachel's not here, okay. I'd also want to introduce our community coordinator who runs this beautiful space, Jessica. Where's Jessica? Oh, hey, Jessica Merva. And then our two lovely welcome coordinators, Adrienne Lindsay and Jolie May. And then and our goodbye coordinator, Jasmine Flores. Where's Jasmine? Oh. No, you, Jasmine. And then we have two Jasmines. And then Jasmine Velarde as our member relations manager. We have two great folks who are out in the community telling the story about Oak Street. Tamisha Stewart and Ricky Barrett.
All right.
Tamisha, Ricky. And then the person who kind of makes it all happen every day is Kimberly McGee, who's our clinic administrator. And then the person I definitely have to mention is our driver, because we find at all of our centers that he becomes like the most popular person in town. So Anthony Macklin, where's Anthony? So with that, I just want to take a moment to, again, thank the Mayor Vargas for coming and just introduce him today. We've been very, very happy and pleased by the support we've gotten from Blue Island. And again, we're honored to be here. And I really appreciate Mr. Mayor, you being able to make it today. So thank you. So thank you. So I'll turn it over to you for just a moment. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon to all of you. Again, what an exciting day, afternoon to be here in Blue Island. Another asset to our community in literally Oak Street Health. As you know, Blue Island has a lot of streets with tree names: Maple, Greenwood, Oak. How appropriate. The colors are great. Let me give you a little bit of history if you don't know. This building years ago was a gun shop. Besides that, it was a Family Dollar store. But now it's the true meaning and use of this buildings for senior care. Again, what we're trying to do here in Blue Island is maybe even create a medical district where we can serve all people from birth to death. And again, this is an asset, Oak Street, and hopefully you will expand into the community and become larger and larger, not only in Blue Island, but in the surrounding suburbs. I thank you as elected official here, as the mayor, and as well the elected officials, the directors, all the staff who's in the back. Again, the colors, the services you're going to be providing. I know you're welcome to our community, not only to the seniors, but to their families, because now they can remain here and get the good service that they deserve, needly deserve in this area. Again, I'm in awe. I haven't toured the location, but compared to how it was before, not that long, about 3-4 months ago, it was an abandoned building. This is what we're trying to do in Blue Island, not only for medical assistance, but throughout different businesses, different services that our community wholeheartedly needs. Again, welcome to Blue Island, and
thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Great. Well, again, just to echo what Jeff said, thank you so much for coming out today. My name's Jared Richardson. I'm the director of outreach for our Southside clinics here, and we're extremely excited to be in this community. We know what type of need there is here. I've had the pleasure of being with Oak Street Health pretty much since day one. We started last summer. The day that I started, there were about 10 of us sitting in a small room at 500 North Michigan Avenue. We didn't have any clinics open or anything like that. It was a very small group of people trying to figure out how we're going to make everything work and how we're going to open clinics and how to staff them and do things like that. So today is a very exciting day for us to have so many influential people in our centers to be able to share this with us here. The most rewarding thing that I've had since I've started here, or I've gotten to see, is really the people that we're serving and some of the struggles that they've gone through, simply just to navigate what can be a really complicated healthcare system. And to be able to see, there's a lot of really big things that we do for folks, like provide rides to appointments and offer really long appointment times, and have a really, really friendly staff and have social workers that can help coordinate care across all of their specialties. But it's a lot of the really small things that make us unique in what we do. some of the interesting things, like we had a social worker once that on her lunch break would go and take care of one of our patients' cat when it went to the hospital, or simply just having our welcome coordinators and other social workers sit down and call pharmacies and find out who will be able to get them the prescriptions they need, without very much hassle or having to pay much of their copays or things like that. So we're really excited to be here and to be doing that. So my job here is to kind of run our outreach efforts, and it's really important that that we be able to partner up with other organizations in the community. So if there's any way that you feel that we can work together, that's how we work and build and grow. So thank you so much for coming to celebrate this with us today. We'll be spending every day, working to improve the health and the quality of life for the people that we serve. And we're very fortunate to have other local organizations here, especially the police department with Deputy Chief Mike Cornell and Officer Jason Slattery. I've got a chance to talk with them today and talk a lot about what they're doing in the community for seniors. So we're very fortunate about that, and we're extremely fortunate to be able to work with the mayor and the rest of the officials. So again, thank you so much for coming out today, and enjoy. So.
Great. Great. I'll recap very quickly, and then we can cut a ribbon and have some lunch, which I think everyone will be happy about. So just to recap, at Oak Street, we believe in partnering with our patients and their care. We act as guides and advocates through an otherwise complicated healthcare system. We believe in deep, meaningful, caring relationships between our clinical team, our service team at the front of our clinics, and our patients and their families. We take an integrated, holistic approach to care, and that includes medical, but it also includes social and and personal needs, and that's why we try to build a community. It's our core belief that all of these things matter, and they have to come together to keep people very healthy and well. So thank you again to everyone who came today. Again, it's so flattering and humbling for us that you're here and to help support us. And now I believe we're going to cut a ribbon and have lunch. So thank you.
Out of three, ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right.
All right. I like this.
Produced by BITV Blue Island.